Now let's prepare the following materials. Color brown and green construction papers, 1 bond paper, glue, scissors, and a pencil. First, let's write the big letter T here in our bond paper using our pencil. Down, stop, and line across the top. There. Next is we are going to cut our brown and green construction paper into a shape of a square or a rectangle. After cutting our construction papers, let's get our glue and paste these cut papers into our bond paper, forming a tree that looks like the letter T. There, letter T for tree.